Hello. Yes, you are a pretty bird. Yes, you certainly are. Well, you want to talk?
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. Yes, baby.
Hello, pretty bird.
Oh, yeah. You say hello to your friends? You got lots of friends, and you know where they are?
What's your word?
They're in a cold place. It's called Canada. Canada. They never get spring there. You don't care, do you? They never get... Yeah, okay. But they never get spring there. Do you care? Do you care? I don't think you care. You care about the elevator? We're gonna go up? Yes, to a greater height. Oh, yes, that's well said. Well said. Where's our elevator? There it is. There it is. There's our elevator. There we go. There we go, Puckerlips. And now we're going to go up and away. That's correct. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Yeah. Now we're up among the trees. And now we're going to walk. There we go. Say hello to the people. Yeah, say hello to the people. There you go.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye.